In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new sections label in Todoist. Whether you're a seasoned organizer or you're just getting started with this powerful tool, the sections feature can help you manage your tasks more effectively and keep everything in neat little boxes exactly where you need them. Let's dive in. First things first, let's get you logged in. Open up your web browser and navigate to app.todoist.com login. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. You'll see two fields on this page. In the first one, go ahead and type in your email. Make sure you enter this correctly as typos can lead to login headaches. Once you've entered your email, move on to the next field and type in your password. Again, accuracy is key here. If you prefer using a shortcut to logging in, Todoist offers you the option to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So if this aligns better with your preference, feel free to take advantage of that. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive into the sections feature. Head over to one of your projects. This is where the real magic happens. Look up at the top right corner of your project page and you'll spot three little dots. Go ahead and click those. This is your key to unlocking more organizational potential within your project. After you click those three dots, you're going to see an option to add a new section. This is where you can get creative. Give your new section a name. Think of something that categorizes the tasks you intend to put here. This will help you maintain a clear and organized setup in your projects. Once your section is named, you can begin organizing tasks within it. This is as easy as dragging and dropping tasks from your existing list into your freshly created sections. Doing this will bring a whole new level of organization to your workspace by structuring your tasks into groups that make sense for how you want to accomplish your goals. Using sections in Todoist is an intuitive way to keep your tasks manageably segmented so you stay productive and on track. It's all about tailoring your task list to suit your workflow, ensuring that you're focused exactly where you need to be. That wraps it up for today's guide on utilizing the sections label in Todoist. Implementing this feature will enhance your task management and enable you to finish your project smoothly, with everything checked off and organized superbly. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.